Ayan, mag-canto chicken po tayo. Ayan. Inspired by canto chicken at yung ating spinach. Ayan. Ginisa ko lang po sa kamatis at bawang. At syempre yung ating gravy. Yan pong aming tanghalian for today. Saute, spinach and canto chicken. Ayan. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.